Today, we're going to talk about shadow ninjas. This hidden movement game pits the samurai guard dogs against the stealthy ninja cats, and the ninja cats against each other. Ninja players bluff the guard dog player to keep them off their scent while they steal the prize koi fish for a tasty midnight snack. All the while, the guard dog player has to keep a level head and not get overwhelmed by being outnumbered. This game includes 16 double sided Shadow Ninja tokens, four of which have a Ninja Cat on one side. There are two Guard Dog tokens, 10 dice, two pink, two orange, two blue, two green, and two red, and of course, a game board. To get started, each player will need to choose their role. Are you going to be a Guard Dog or a Ninja Cat? A ninja player will win the game by getting to any one of the four koi fish spaces on the board without being caught by the guard dog. And the guard dog player will win by, yep, you guessed it, finding all of the ninjas before they reach a koi fish. The guard dog player will receive their two tokens and matching red die. And for the ninjas, the number of players will change the setup. If there's only one ninja player, they will receive all four ninja tokens and 12 shadows. Two ninja players means that they will get two ninjas and six shadows. If there are three ninja players, they will each receive one ninja and four shadows. And lastly, four ninja players means they will each receive one ninja and three shadows. The ninja players then take matching dice that match their cat's colors. If they have two cats, they can take one of each color. And if they are the only ninja player, they can do whatever setup they like. Now, it's important to note that all ninja players can move any shadow ninja token, even if it's not the one they placed during the game setup. Now that all players have the correct tokens, it's time to set up the board. With the guard dog player closing their eyes, the ninja player will take turns placing their token shadow side up on any unoccupied gray space. Remember, you and your other shadow ninjas might have the same goal, but there can be only one winner. So make sure that you keep which of your tokens is your real ninja or ninjas hidden from all the other players. Once all cat tokens are placed, the guard dog then places their two tokens on two of the different koi fish spaces. Whew, that sure was a lot. But now we can finally talk about playing the game. Turns will start with the guard dog player and continue clockwise. On each player's turn, both dice will be rolled. Each die will be for one token, meaning you will move two tokens on every turn. Tokens can move up to the number on the die rolled. You don't have to take the full movement amount every turn. There can be only one token on each space at a time, and no token can move diagonally or through walls and objects. Now, during your movement, you may come to a place where your desired path is blocked by another token. If this happens, simply swap the two tokens around to continue moving. While moving during the game, you always have to be careful to avoid detection as a ninja, or catch as many cats as you can as the guard dogs. Now, detection happens with a line of sight mechanic. If at any point during movement, a shadow counter has a straight, unobstructed line of spaces between them and a guard dog token, it has been seen. A seen token is flipped over to reveal if it's a shadow decoy or a real ninja. If it's a decoy, nothing happens and it will remain on the board. If it's a real ninja, it has been removed from the game. And once all the real ninjas of a player are removed from the game, that player is out. Now, you might be thinking, well, Derek, that all sounds great. But if I'm playing as a ninja, how am I supposed to remember which tokens are my real ninja or ninjas? Good news. At any point, a ninja player can choose to skip their turn and secretly look at the bottom of any four tokens. As mentioned, the game can only be won by one player. The guard dog player wins by seeing all the ninja cats before a koi fish is eaten. That's how they win the game. For a ninja cat player to win, they must get their real ninja token to a koi fish tank space without being caught in the line of sight of a guard dog. So that's Shadow Ninjas for 2 to 5 players, ages 8 plus. A hidden movement strategy game. Light and easy for young kids, for families, but I think has some wonderful elements that would entertain the older gamers in your gaming crowd. You can pick up Shadow Ninjas today at any store that carries Outset products.
Because games matter.
My goodness, you're still here. Thanks for watching our video today. We really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe. That red button thingy that's down there. Also, you may want to click on some of the boxes around my head to watch more Outset videos.